The Power of Discipline, by Daniel Walter, imparts several invaluable lessons that can significantly contribute to personal and professional development. Here are key lessons from the book. Lesson number 1. Strategic goal setting. The book underscores the critical role of setting clear and specific goals. It stresses the importance of crafting a well-defined vision, enabling individuals to establish a roadmap for their actions and maintain a focused pursuit of success. Lesson number 2. Cultivation of self-discipline. Walter emphasizes the cultivation of self-discipline as a fundamental skill for growth. Contrary to being an inherent trait, discipline is portrayed as a skill that can be honed through consistent practice. The book advocates the implementation of strategies such as structured daily routines, effective time management, and task prioritization to strengthen one's self-discipline. Lesson number 3. Combating procrastination. Addressing the pervasive issue of procrastination, the book provides actionable strategies to overcome this hurdle. Immediate action, breaking tasks into manageable segments, setting deadlines, and minimizing distractions are highlighted as effective techniques to counter procrastination. Lesson number 4. Habit formation for success. The book delves into the influential role of habits in shaping individual lives and achieving success. It offers insights into the power of habit formation and outlines methods to develop positive habits aligned with personal goals. Consistent practice of productive habits is presented as a foundational element for success. Lesson number 5. Sustaining focus and resilience. The Power of Discipline underscores the significance of maintaining focus and resilience in the face of challenges. The book provides practical strategies to stay committed to long-term goals, navigate obstacles effectively, and foster a positive mindset to rebound from setbacks. Lesson number 6. Balancing discipline and flexibility. While acknowledging the importance of discipline, the book advocates a balanced approach that incorporates flexibility. It encourages individuals to adapt to changing circumstances and embrace new opportunities, striking a harmonious balance between discipline and adaptability. Lesson number 7. Cultivating a growth mindset. Walter emphasizes the cultivation of a growth mindset, wherein individuals believe in their capacity to learn and improve. The book encourages facing challenges head-on, viewing failures as opportunities for growth, and persisting in the face of setbacks. Adopting a growth mindset enables individuals to overcome self-limiting beliefs and unlock their full potential. In essence, The Power of Discipline offers a comprehensive guide to taking control of one's life, achieving set goals, and leading a more fulfilling and successful existence. Walter's insights provide a blueprint for personal empowerment and growth.